In this segment, I want to show you that every simulation might give you slightly different results. So here I again simulated for 1000 iterations, and notice I have different mean payoff and different confidence interval with 99% chance, but different upper lower limit than in the previous video segment. The reason for this is that every time you simulate, you select randomly 1000 possible games out of a very large population of all possible games. So you shouldn't be surprised that every sample, a random sample, right, might end up being slightly different. Right? If I simulate again, I might get another average result and a slightly different confidence interval. Now I get mean loss of $1.35, right, per game, and the confidence interval is again different. So don't be surprised if you solve your simulation and somebody else also solved it, and maybe both of you are correct. You might still get slightly different results, like the mean payoff or different confidence lower upper limit for the mean. However, what shouldn't be different is if you come up with a conclusion that you're 99% certain this is a losing game, somebody else who simulates the same game shouldn't come up with a conclusion that this is a winning game, right? That would be a contradiction, right? So remember that every simulation run might give you slightly different results, but it should give you the same conclusion every time.